Hello everyone, good afternoon. I am Linlin Rina Nur Alia, the student ID 2301010006, and I from English Education Department of class 2023. I get the information's seminar from my friends. She is Nagita. Okay, in this video, I want to reporting the seminar that I follow. The title of seminars is Skor Meningkat Tanpa Panik, Fokus, Tenang, dan Terukur by Miss Melissa as a speaker and Sis Putri Nabila as a moderator. I joined the seminar at Saturday, 24 January 2026, and the organizer of this seminar is Golden English Teacher. So, why I joining this event? Because as an English learner, especially in educations and in the future, there will certainly be a time when I become a teacher. Even though teaching is not my main ambitions, however, I must almost be able to speak English without panicking in order to complete my studies and pursue my ambitions, which are closely related to English commit. Alright, the seminar focused on a holistic approach to considering the IELTS, moving beyond simple grammar lessons to address the psychological and strategic frameworks necessary for success. The journey began by deconstructing the silent score killer, exam panic. It was explained that panic, whether during the months of preparations or the high-stage environments of the test room, is not just mentioned, but a cognitive block that can lead a significant drop in a candidate's potential band score. By identifying the root causes of this anxiety, students are empowered to regain control over their performance. Building on these mental foundations, the discussion shifts toward creating a sustainable learning ecosystem. Rather than advocating for high-pressure cramming sessions that often lead to burnout, the seminar emphasized the importance of consistent, realistic, and low-stress study routine. The core philosophy here is that long-term retention and language fluency are best achieved through manageable daily habits that keep the student's stress level a minimum, ensuring they reach the exam day feeling refreshed rather than exhausted. To maximize efficiency, the seminar then introduced the concept of strategic prioritizations. Participants were guided on how to analyze their current abilities, identify specific skills, be it listening, reading, speaking, or writing, that would offer the highest leverage for their target score. Instead of spreading their efforts too thin across all areas, students learn to focus on the high impact skills that move needle the most, making their preparation journey much faster and more effective. The narrative concludes with the mastery of real-time executions. Preparation alone is not enough if a candidate loses their composure during the test. The seminar provides practical mental and time management techniques to help students maintain their cool while the clock is ticking. By combining focused preparations with a disciplined mental state, candidates are equipped to navigate the complexities of the IELTS with confidence, ensuring that their hard-earned English skills are reflected accurately in their final band score. The study effectively, the speakers introduced the hide in peak skill concept. Instead of studying everything, use short focus on the specific parts of the test that give you the fastest results. The seminars also recommended building a sustainable study ecosystem, which means having a consistent, low stress routine rather than trying to learn too much at once. A key tool mentioned was the error log strategy, where you write down your mistakes to stop making them in the future. The seminar then shared a vital rule for the final days before exam called the Ha-Min-Chu strategy. It advised students to stop heavy studying 2 days before the test. At this stage, getting good sleep is much more important than doing extra practice. During the actual test, the seminar suggests several ways to stay calm. For the first, use breathing techniques and the skip and return method to hard questions. For the second, in the speaking test, uh, focus on fluency rather than being perfect, as natural pauses are okay. And the third, in writing, use flexible templates and write and refine method, avoid getting stuck on a blank page. And finally, the sessions review the official IELTS band descriptors. For example, to reach band 7 in speaking, you must speak at length without too much effort. For academic reading, getting a band 7 requires about 30 to 32 correct answer. The main message the seminar was that strategy is more important than quantity. Students who stay calm and follow a clear plan are the ones who achieve their target scores. Okay, thank you very much for your attention and see you